watch. Coming like them life, that's scratch. We make dance all free, downtown badness. Rascal dark kid, wine chill. Me trick, no can't trick me out here. What? Can't style a style like nah go work. You dig? Now watch the internet, I be an idiot, them run with.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's about Nando Night Building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So we're going to jump into this topic as it pertains to Masicka and Alkaline. So a lot of people have been saying that either Alkaline braver than Masicka or Masicka braver than Alkaline, or either Masicka afraid or Alkaline afraid. So we want to jump into this conversation and this topic as it pertains to both artists, and we are going to jump into it, into dissecting some of the direct shots them are who show more direct shots are more shades, like in our way to say who for shades more direct and who for shades are more direct. So me have a couple clippings. Yes, sir, more share with phone, and before we jump into that clippings, more ask you for do for me. And make sure so on a like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So before we jump into the Masicka and the Alkaline, shades are direct. This is we want drag on the memory with the Mother and Alkaline, because a lot of people have been saying that the artists they need to start call them one another name now in a song or whatever. Well, this is what I ever say. Artists not have to call the next artist name until the war officially starts or until a clash literally is in play. Because I remember, and I can remember in my head when Mother and Vibes Cartel war, before it had started, shots did a show, name never did a call. The name calling only started off when time the clash was officially started. And me have some short clippings here with Mother and Vibes Cartel when the clash start, not when the clash start, but when the shades them are throw at each other. And me have the first clippings more play for Uno is the Mavado clippings with Mavado when Mavado took shots at Vibes Cartel, but he didn't call Vibes Cartel name. He only mentioned that some of them, a songwriter and Vibes Cartel, picked up that whole beef and picked up that whole song saying that a him Mavado attack, which is outrightly a him Mavado attack. But the fact that him never called Vibes Cartel name in no song, and to this day we hear people coming out saying that artists need for call name. No, name no need for call. Show some shades out there, make the public know say him ya attack, and people them can pick it up, and you yourself can pick it up if either you are artist or send shades at or whatever. Because I can also remember when Popcorn this Alkaline in January with Stray Dog, and Popcorn didn't call Alkaline name. Popcorn only said that shoot out them contact lens, and Alkaline brave enough pick it up on himself and run out on him with microwave. So before we jump into that, make we just jump into the Mavado clippings now and play the Mavado clippings, make you hear which the point where me I come from. Listen. Pull it up again so you can hear. Some boy don't know about bad man thing, them are just songwriter. And listen it because me I go play the Vibes Cartel clippings also so you can get the point, the clear view where me I come from. Say, Mavado never call Vibes Cartel name. And Bounty Killer said it as well into an interview with Academics, saying that Mavado never call Vibes Cartel name, Vibes Cartel pick it up, which by right Vibes Cartel knows say even matter, because down into the song Mavado also mentioned Bleacher, also mentioned them a fishing at the sea or some stuff like that, because he also took some shots at Beanie Man, because you remember at one point Beanie Man was parring with Vibes Cartel with the old Angel and so forth and stuff. And that caused the whole fallout with Vibes Cartel linking up with Beanie Man, did song with the Angel and stuff like that. So that caused the whole rift, caused the whole beef with Gully and Gaza and Alliance. So me I play about the song again. Listen, and it's not a full song, it's not the full song me I play, it's just a small clippings of the lyrics where the song I say. Listen. And that is it. That is the Mavado part of the song. And this is why me I say, people are say artists need to call name, and me I tell you no, the artists them don't need to call name, because the artists them know clearly the artists them know who them one another attack. I'm gonna play the Vibes Cartel clip for you so you can get the drift where me are forward from. Listen it.
Hey, singer, me, you a call songwriter, war teacher, girl.
Pull up, remember my father say some boy don't know about bad man think them are just songwriter. Vibes Cartel pick it up. Singer, me you a call songwriter. So I play the clippings them, me I go play this and then play the Masicka and the Alkaline, the shades them and show you who more direct or who a go more direct. Listen.
Hey, singer, me, you a call songwriter, war teacher, gang fighter, gunshot right off your gang like paper from the typewriter. Your boss make you feel hyper.
And that is it. And that is it. That is the Vibes Cartel part referring to the old Movada songwriter song, and Vibes Cartel responded. So what me I say is the artists them know them one another. Them know who attack. And as I always say, if you want into this Alkaline, just diss him outright by even mention blind, contact, or just like what Popcorn do. Mention something, blind, contact, or whatever. So me I go play one clippings for you, one long, lengthy clippings with the artists them this them one another. I'm gonna break down some of the clippings them so you can see where me are forward from. Because a long time the artists them are this them one another, but one more direct than one. One has send some little hidden shades, but you can't really pick up, but you have to look deep within the surface, beyond the surface, for no say other artists there, that man they attack. So me I go play a clippings with the whole of the artists them, with Alkaline and Masicka shading them one another. Listen to this.
Alkaline. What's your view on Alkaline? You rate it?
Personally, Alkaline is a talented DJ, but him for just accept the fact that him live in a Vibes Cartel shadow and him a try be Vibes Cartel. Okay. You know what I mean? And him still now come and say him a try be Vibes Cartel. As I say, me no rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but the type of thing him sing about as a youth from the street and as a youth who grow in the street and know the street. And that's something with me really I go get up and real for.
So people are saying that Masicka saying no rate Alkaline, right? But outrightly, yeah, you know rate Alkaline. Well, we can always not rate somebody, but to go in the studio and take shots at him, why don't you do that? You say you don't rate him, you rate him music them, but you don't rate him. But yet still, you're strained from the fact that you can literally go in our studio, go diss him if you don't rate him. But remember, at this point, Masicka's career wasn't anywhere. Alkaline lead the game, Alkaline dominate the game at this point in his career. So Masicka was just a come up, even though he was in the dancehall space longer than Alkaline, because trust me, Masicka has been in dancehall for roughly about 15 years now. Alkaline 12 years, so 3 years apart. Masicka there in the game, and him not bust until just the other day. So listen again.
You know what I mean? Because we just street youth.
The front runner in that little group of Gage, Tommy Lee.
Stop this.
Masicka.
Hey. What you doing?
No? What?
So this is Alkaline saying that them other guys not in my league, because yeah, by right, they weren't in his league when they dominate the space. Songs after songs, hits after hits. When the Masicka, when the Tamale, when the Gage, all of those artists did in the space of dancehall, just like Alkaline, they weren't doing it like the artists. Because even at this point in Alkaline's career, him even a rival against Vibes Cartel, song after song, throwing shots after each other. So all those other artists weren't in the league of Alkaline. So Alkaline stating that you can't really categorize me and put me in the league with them other artists because them not in the league.
That Lily?
That Lily?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Man. You couldn't really want to put me in them category there when you first come on, man.
Okay.
So when I say a joke thing that, ask the people them, really? We shouldn't even talk about this right now. A joke,
the
real
people you ask.
A real joke that, man.
But
Here's a pussy, a dark boy, money vendetta, a Gaza genocide, Gaza genocide.
And this is what I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers. Masicka is the artist who will go on the internet and talk, but he won't go in the studio to go direct. He will send his shade, because I can remember one of his songs when he mentioned that she and Skull have them gal with them as spoil. And you remember Alkaline has a song called Spoil You, but that's not really a header on this. That's just a reference. That is why also Alkaline send shades at him also. But he's saying that this is the time when he did the collaboration with Vybz Kartel, the Infrared, because I can remember it like it was yesterday. This is the time when Masicka did the collaboration with Kartel, Infrared. So he went on the stage and said, "If me hear some boy a talk about Gully Vendetta, then for no say a Gaza genocide, a Gaza bomb genocide." So this is the time when him, this is the time when him get that break there. This is the time when he was ego driven. The time when him realized, say, yo, me dep on farm now, or me dep on a role now, because me collaborate one of the greatest in a dancehall, which is Vybz Kartel. So this is when Masicka start hype up himself. Yeah, that's what I show when we just mentioned the song, the line we mentioned in the song, she and Skull touch the girl with them with a spoil. So this was the starting when the local shades them start true. Because no, not really, no, but when Masicka just come in a game, he might take shots off a lot of artists, but him never really got direct. Him just a send some shots. Shades. But this was the time when him feel like him up on a level now and him start take some shots or send some shades, because these are not shots. These are shades when him must say she and Skull touch the girl with them with a spoil.
Skull fuck the girl with them did a spoil. Make a juvie bust him at the daily past 20. Make a juvie bust him at the daily past 20. Make a juvie bust him at the daily past.
When you hear that, you see it repeat more than once. Make a juvie bust him head with daily past 20. And Alkaline has a song also, Cree, that he mentioned. Juvenile now go trick me. Step to me wrong on me for no say my pitney. I wanna hear it for yourself, viewers.
20. Juvenile now go trick me. Step to me wrong on me for no say my pitney. This the one in the chamber. She got finger it chill. Juvenile now go trick me. Step to me wrong on me for no say my pitney. This the one in the chamber. She got finger it chill. Bravo.
Crocodile, more like Antita show.
We hear that? Crocodile, Mortlock and Tita show. I'll pull that up for you. Crocodile, Mortlock and Tita show. And wait for it. You will hear the Alkaline reference in his song, saying, watch how him yai them lock up and him Tita show. And I don't know how clearer a person can go at dissing somebody or sending shots or shades at somebody for them pick it up and know say at them attack. But watch it when me I show them. Masicka is the type of artist where only throw shades or only make the public seems like him and Alkaline have a rival when clearly they don't have a rival, because Masicka will only shade but nah step to the plate. Him nah step to the podium for sure say, yo, my brave, I mean ya talk. Just like how Alkaline can run out from Popcorn and diss him when Popcorn mention contact lens, mention gunshot in a contact lens, no wanna be done can't clone me. This is what me I talk about. Popcorn brave, Alkaline brave, but Masicka not brave. Masicka likes to throw shades, but he don't run out. Alkaline go direct, but Masicka not run out. Remember, he's the one who's been shading Alkaline from the get-go. Remember, from Jump Street. Masicka was the artist who been a shade Alkaline. Alkaline is the bigger artist. So, the fact that y'all shade me dep on a level, me shade you back, and even go direct, even into mention mascot in our song. And we are going to get to that point of this whole vlog. Because Alkaline mentioned mascot in a no rival. But Masicka never run out. When you hear that, watch him yai them lock up on him Tita show. And just like that, that's their slogan. Yai lock Tita show. Crocodile type of settings. That is genocide slogan. Shane Skull mentioned it into a video. And see Alkaline, and that song was dropped the same year that video came out with Masicka and his crew playing domino, and Alkaline said it into a song. On the road, after the worst part for them play domino. Watch him yai them lock up and him Tita show. And I don't know how clear a person can get, clearer a person can get, for the other person knows say them attack. Exactly. This is why Alkaline stated that Alkaline musical intelligence is beyond this genre. Enough people don't get it because them IQ level is low. Alkaline sang a song called Static, and you know how the statics syndrome go already. Certain thing you touch certain material, certain metal, you get a static in your finger. So Alkaline is stating that these guys, they don't want the static because not clear how direct me a go towards them, not clear how direct me a fire shots at them. They don't want the static. They just like to themselves mentioning the word nibble, but yet they are the ones nibbling. They are the ones nibbling, making reference in songs, but not going direct. Them shades, you have to use a magnifying glass to see them shades. But when Alkaline sends his shades and his shots, them not ready. They don't want the static. Remember, Alkaline even had a post on his Instagram where he posed at the swamp. No crocodile, no there, none.
Yeah, basic when stop it. Two giant that style they born greatest. Two fly them guy they can't face me. Risk it for the biscuit you call bravery.
Pull that.
Born greatest. Two fly.
And I cannot predict and I cannot pick out the disses in this song. The Tom Brady song. He must send shades, but me can't pick it up. Me can't pick it up. Me can pick up an Alkaline shade towards Masicka, but me can't pick up when Masicka a shade Alkaline.
Guy they can't face me. Risk it for the biscuit you call bravery. Too bad, yet that's looking so pathetic. My bones can't accept it. Feel more than championship. Me see them talk about them not matching it, knocking it. Ball a room but them just watching it.
So it is this. It was a similar reference to ball a bounce. Them can't intercept it. And then Masicka made his reference also say the ball a roll and them just a watch. Ball a roll and them just watching it. So it's identical reference in both artists' songs, but that's not really a this. But you can see the comparison there.
Ball a room but them just watching it. Ball a room but them just watching it. When you shot connect never when you cap. When you get the fan your back bad like ready up on the entire swap. Oh, so them want water, you can't see them in the street them.
And this is what I don't get with Masicka. Masicka always goes on stage shows, makes his little reference over the mic, but in the studio, you don't go direct. You don't send. You don't send a clear shade. Alright, say a shade then. Say both artists are shade both artists, but you're not the one who is trying to go direct. And no matter how Alkaline go direct, he uses a style. Masicka uses a style when I don't like, where he pretends like he's on top or he might go drop album and then deflect everything like he's doing currently, stating that he might drop album soon and then he might do look challenge with his Rich Sex songs. Because we been know Masicka is the coward. Point blank, me not gonna hide and talk. And a lot of people have been noticing it for a while that Masicka is the artist who shades but a coward. He no got, like, it is so easy to mention blind in our song. Like Movada did the other day, and look how Alkaline run out with danger, disgusting. And it is so easy. It is so easy. But Masicka is afraid, and that's why I said me I go find the popcorn clippings and play for you when popcorn mention gunshot in your contact lens and Alkaline run out pan him with microwave.
I keep stumbling. I'm there every day. No more no scare genocide. When the real genocide fans and never can defend themselves. Think of yourself every step. Come sit down and follow me. Hold on. Listen. The generation warning. Can't get it on a chance. See you here. I did got 10 shows. Oh, boy, I'm playing oh. Check him out, get put on your rich blood, my thing never die out. And if you not talk about it, that is the guy.
So that is it for the look highlights with both artists are shade each other. But me I show you something. One of the songs them one of the other clippings here is No Rival. And me I gonna point it out clear for you so you can see. No Rival in a this clippings here when Alkaline say mascot. Alkaline mentioned the term, use the term mascot. And watch this, viewers and subscribers. Let me take out this off I screen. I mean, I understand enough. People are say the artists them now this them one another, but clearly Alkaline are this Masicka. Direct. Not totally direct, but direct into a sense where you can look on it and realize, oh damn, Alkaline take shots at Masicka for real. But it's what I show no viewers and subscribers. Them now go tell you them thing they know. Them now go tell you them thing there because them are pretty up everything to make it look like say either Alkaline afraid of Masicka or them paint it in a way to say Alkaline more afraid of Masicka, but it is not that. When you hear the line there, feel someone boy or mascot. I don't know how direct can somebody go in making a close reference to somebody else's name. Mascot, and Masicka. Mascot and Masicka. When you see the close the close similarity and the comparison. Mascot and Masicka. Masicka and Mascot, dog. Man, freed. The man literally freed because this was the last song Alkaline made reference or mention a close name to Masicka. Because the man said, no rival. Because unafraid of this. Unafraid of me. That's why the man drop him song key, man. Masicka freed a Alkaline. And it is point blank. A lot of people see it. Pull it up. And that's what I'm telling the viewers and subscribers. Masicka a coward. I find the Popcorn clipping so on the ear where I come forward from. Popcorn, me have to give Popcorn them ratings, you know, because Popcorn will take shades, you know. Popcorn will send shades, you know. But Popcorn know what time of the day it is. So Popcorn will send him look shades them, but him nah step. Him nah step, and that I issue with Popcorn. Watch this, viewers and subscribers. Alright. This is where Popcorn I can mention. You know that song already. You know it. But this is where Popcorn I can mention contact. Shot in your contact lens. Listen.
Them a try jump fence, me can roll them bends. Little jack the ass, now no fucking sense. Fully auto squeezed in your contact lens.
You hear that for yourself. Point blank. Popcorn never called Alkaline name, no. Remember, this was 2017 when Popcorn roll out with Stray Dog. Right after Badness it name, right after Ricochet, when Alkaline mentioning Badness it name. So the father, so the son did the same because Movado, Robot, Popcorn, Alkaline, this back Vybz Kartel with Ricochet, ending up that Vybz Kartel did have to move up in him cell or shift up in the prison because they know the water them come find out say him have him phone, ray, da. So this was when Popcorn roll out with Stray Dog. I want to know right after that, man, Alkaline roll out with Microwave, man, at this cool up Popcorn and rub him out, man. So me hear people say Alkaline need for call name, but me I wonder where Alkaline need for call artist name. Me I wonder where. And me I go play a couple other disses. Not this, because me always I say this, but it's not this. But shades, couple other shades where Masicka a shade, but him nah go direct. And me no know why. Him nah go direct. Masicka a behave like him a coward, watch ya. So he's saying that, me make dancehall afraid. You make dancehall afraid, bro, but you're not sending no shots. And that clearly stated that you say everybody afraid of you in a dancehall then. You say me make dancehall afraid. Then Alkaline run out with no rival. Remember, this song that Masicka did was on his Generation of Kings album, which dropped, I think it was the last part of 2023, and then Alkaline rolled out with No Rival in a 2024, which is the January period. And then Masicka I say he make dancehall afraid. Him sing Carbon, him sing District 1, and him say he make dancehall afraid, but yet him not send no farmer shot, no farmer clear shots. Me know say him album promotion type of setting. So him have to make him look shades them in him album, make the people them run with it and say, oh, him a this Alkaline, him a this Skeng, because remember Skeng had rolled out in 2023 also, and this him in a multiple song directly. This him in a multiple song. And then you know Masicka bug out tight, him behave like say him no hear where the artist them are say, him behave like say him no know. And then him roll out in a theme album with theme shades them, but him now go direct. And people are say, Masicka brave. Masicka not brave. Masicka a show cowardness. Masicka is not brave. He must show cowardness. And that's what me I say, viewers and subscribers. Masicka I say, he make dancehall afraid, but yet still, he's not going direct. If you say dancehall afraid of you, an artist a call up your name, an artist a diss you, why not go direct? Why not go direct? Make the people them know, who you are. I remember when Alkaline came out with his album, Top Prize, and Masicka came out with songs like Update, and songs like, Give Them an Update, and another song, I don't remember what name, I don't remember what name, but I think I have so a clip in here where I want to play for Uno so you can know which part me I fall from with that song. I don't remember what that song the name, but I go play it for Uno so Uno can see where me I fall from. Watch that song. You know that song, right? I don't remember what name. Now Masicka mentioned that term in a song, Destroyer, in a song called, what name? Open My Brain. And Alkaline said some reference to Destroyer. Watch this, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline said, fool can bad you up. The Destroyer will bag you up. Well, those are minor shades. Those are just simple shades. And not really direct shades that we say, yo. Well, you know, the Destroyer reference, right? The Destroyer and Masicka go together. You use Destroyer to kill Masicka. So the reference, the metaphorical term with Destroyer and Masicka, I must say, yo, gun and Masicka. So the gun will destroy Masicka, and the Destroyer will destroy the Masicka. And that's why I say, viewers and subscribers, if you not study this thing with the artists them, you won't get it when them send them local shades. But the most direct this when we can definitely clearly say Alkaline take at Masicka was when he mentioned mascot, mentioned Masicka being a mascot. And I'm shocked for no say Masicka no run out, but while me can say maybe because Masicka say him dep on a farm now, him dep on a level, him not have to answer nobody. Because fair enough, when Alkaline did hot and dominate the space of dancehall, Masicka never break out, even though he made a take shots at Alkaline and Idonia. Him never really break out in his career, so me understand why him would answer now, him act now, him big now, him reach far. Him no need to answer them because when him a fire shots off of them never did answer him. But now that him dep on farm and then in his career, in his career upon a level, it would be the right time for him really go at a clash. Because him dep on farm, Alkaline dep on farm, Alkaline a big artist, him a big artist now, so it would be a fair enough battle, a fair enough clash for both artists. But it is not here or there, because an artist, if him feel like him want to clash, him go clash. If him not feel like him want to clash, him not want to clash. But what me I say is, viewers and subscribers, the era are going to change in a dancehall. And this era, we are yet to see a clash between Alkaline and Masicka. Alkaline ready for it, but Masicka behave like say him not acknowledge it, or him not aware say the artists them are send shots at him. Because even though Alkaline had mentioned mascot in our song, Masicka never run out. Just like when him did him Carbon and him District song, him never remember Alkaline is responding to Carbon and District 1 because him said no make dancehall afraid, and Alkaline came out and said right after that into 2014 no rival. So Masicka and this ongoing shades are going to continue. I don't know how long until an artist officially call an artist name. But as I say, Masicka only can reference to blind or contact, you know. Just that he need to do. And Alkaline run out because Alkaline clearly put himself out there on the battlefield, put himself on the line, put him career upon the line and show say, yo, I'm ready. All who attack say them are the baddest thing, the bravest thing. The man clearly say, I meet them further. And remember, Devin, the doctor stated that the whole world knows Masicka further Alkaline. So what? Where we are going to forward to? Where we are going to get to? I don't know where we are going to reach to. We are going to reach a point where the clash now going to go on with each artist, the artists them. I don't know. But viewers and subscribers, I have no idea what's the outcome for them artists. This generation are going to shift. We're not going to get no clash. And it look like a lot of people want to see the clash between both artists. But as I said, it is here or there. If the artists them brave enough for make, not even brave enough, because we'll see where Alkaline show saying brave. But if Masicka brave enough, just make some sort of reference in our song. But Masicka go say, me I focus on my career, me I focus on international. But I say it go still. But viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section. Who you think afraid? Who you think Masicka afraid? Or who you think Alkaline afraid? Who you think afraid? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Make me know what you think. You know it go already, man. Our Vibes and Inside with another update, another vlog. Mad, I'm out. Peace.